Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the topologies. So in the previous lecture, we are learn about the mesh topology and star topology. So now we are going to learn about more to about bus and ring topology. So basically, the bus topology basically it looks like a bus. Okay, there is a main cable. Okay, in main cable this part only. Okay, not this cable. This is the main cable which transmit the data to different devices. Okay, so basically there are some first of all we know about about the structure. This is called tap. This cable is called drop line, and this at the last it is called transmitter भी कह सकते हैं, or we can call it as repeater. So basically tap is basically which connects to the main cable to the which transmit the data. Okay, which transmit data, we're transmitting the message to device to the another device. ठीक है. Okay, like for example, if B is want to transfer a data message to a device, so it transmitted through this main cable and it joins by the drop line of A connect it. Basically tab used as a basically it build a relationship or which is used to connect the drop line to the main cable. Okay, to transmit or to transmitting the message or to deliver some message. Okay, so you know about drop line basically transmitting data from the from one device to another device. Okay, now repeaters, what is repeater? I told you in physical physical layer video that repeaters is used when the signal is low. We want to boost the signal. Okay, to boost the signal signals we use the repeaters. So this is all about the bus topology. Okay, a short review. Now we are going to learn about in as we show now about the number of cables, ports, reliability, cost, and security, which is main for your exams. Take a point of view. Okay, now the number of cables is here. You can see only one cable is there for each node for each device, and is basically I told you number of devices. Now ports, one ports were there, one for n numbers and multiply by n. Okay, reliability. What is reliability? If the main cable is damaged, so the transmitter of data will not be reliable. That's why the reliability is less. There is no reliability. Now cost number of cable is like slow, so that's why the cost is also low. Security is also low because it transmitted different. It basically I told you that in the mesh communicator it does not support the multicast communication. Remember, but the bus and the ring topology support multicast communication. Okay, it supports multicast communication. That's why if B wants to send the data to A or to D, so the A device or C device or D device know that there is a signal, there is a message which is transmitting, not that for them all for that devices, but for the another devices. Okay, so the security is also low. Now going to know about the ring topology. So basically ring topology, it is unidirectional. Basically I told you first of all that it is a unidirectional transmitting. It uses unidirectional communication, which means it transfer data in a one direction. Now it transmitting data, the reliability, it's in unidirectional. If A want to send the data to the C device, so we should know about what there is any message that is transmitting from one device to another. Okay, so that's why the reliability is low. Now you can calculate the cable. Cable is only every point at there is one. Okay, sorry, multiplying plus. Okay, and the cables is all, the ports are also one. So basically it's same as the bus topology. Okay, the number of cables, number of ports, reliability, cost is also same because cables are low. Security is also low. Why security? Because there is no security there. They should know about their. Okay, sorry. I told you that reliability is basically if we're transmitting the data. Okay, if it damaged, there is no reliability, there is no transmitting of data, and the security is also low because we should know about the securities also. Okay, sorry. So you thought about that the first topology, ring topology, seems what's the difference? Difference is, first of all, it is unidirectional. Okay, ring topology, and it, like, basically in both, like, there is no difference. There is only difference that it uses the it is unidirectional way. Okay, unidirectional communication. But the if we say about their we can say common. What is the common between bus and topology? You can see this. But also it uses, because at it using unidirectional, there is a collision of data, because it transmits to this. First of all, it gives to this, then this, then this. A to D, A to B, A to C. Then there is a collision, so that's why they use a device token to reduce this collision. So they both use token device to reduce the collision. So guys, this is all about the topologies. We are going we covered the topologies of physical layer.